morning, children. Today we will be going for Geography, Chapter 18, Globe, a model of Earth, latitude and longitude. So, we have the Earth looks like an orange bulging on the side and slightly flat at the top. So we are going to this globe model of Earth geography. Now let me see. The Earth is something flat at the top, slightly bulging, and then like something like this you see. This flat here and flat here, okay? So the true shape of the Earth is called geode, okay? And the model showing the accurate shape of the Earth is called a globe. How many of you have globe at your place? Raise your hands. How many people you have globe? Okay? Must be having, all of you, I know. Now suppose if I have to go tell the aeroplane pilot to land at this place, how would I do? We are on the top flying. How do you know? Just land at Delhi or land at Japan, land at Australia. Well, to help locate that, the pilot used parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude. Now, if you look at the globe, you will see lines drawn like this. See? Okay? See, one of these lines, you see, the horizontal east set of lines of globe are called parallel of latitude, while vertical or north-south are called, now this is the vertical line, this is known as meridians of longitude. And we have east running line, east and west. This is what? Latitude. These lines are longitude, these are the latitude running from east to west. East to west. And they cut across the globe like this. Okay? And there are no lines on the earth. These are imaginary lines drawn on a computer, so that if you want to go somewhere, excuse me. Hello? हाँ कर लेते So you have got latitude and you have got longitude. Okay. So east to west lines are called parallels of latitude, and the vertical north to south line are called longitude. Excuse me. Hello. नमस्ते. कौन बोल रहा है? हाँ जी बताइए सिंह सर. ठीक है. आ जाएगा. ये तो ध्यान तो आपको 28-29 अक्टूबर को हो रहा है. आ जाएगा. हाँ लास्ट 2-3 दिन से शुरू होगा. 2 दिन अक्टूबर और 3-4 दिन नवंबर. डेट शीट अभी आ जाएगी. 3-4 दिन डेट शीट आ जाएगी. टाइम बहुत है. आपको 15 दिन का टाइम देंगे बच्चों को पढ़ने का पूरा. 15 दिन का टाइम. 15 दिन. So, what is the latitude? Latitude is defined as angular distance north or south of equator. Okay. The latitude of equator is supposed to be 0, while that of North Pole is 90. Now here is the equator. latitude is 0, here is 90. Here is 90, okay. And what is the important parallel latitude? The equator, you know, is dividing, this is the equator, is dividing the earth into two parts. So one is the northern hemisphere, one is the southern hemisphere, okay. So this is the equator. So here is the northern hemisphere and this is the southern hemisphere, okay. Now, because other parallel latitudes are Tropic of Cancer. Okay. Now, let me see. This is the Tropic of Cancer. I'm sure. This is the Tropic of Cancer. And this is the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so this is the Tropic of Cancer, this is the Tropic of Capricorn. And the angular distance is 23.5 north. So Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 north and Capricorn also is 23.5 south. Okay. And then we have what? The Arctic Circle and the Antarctic. Arctic Circle is here. So you know the North Pole. And the Antarctic Circle is here. Yeah. All the year there is ice here. And this is at 66.5 south. And this is 66.5 north. Okay. And then here, this is the equator. Between this and this, oh shit, this is known as torrid zone. Torrid zone. Please, this is the chapter 118. This is the torrid zone. This is the torrid zone. And in between this is north temperate zone and south temperate zone. Between this and this. It is moderate. Temperature is moderate here. Moderate. This is south moderate zone and this is north moderate zone. Now, you see the chapter here, you can understand. See? Here torrid zone. This is the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn. Now, Tropic of Capricorn, where does it lie? It lies at 23.5 degrees south. And this is South Pole. South is all south, north. Okay? So, this is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 north. Okay? This is Tropic of Cancer. And these two zones are temperate zone, moderate, ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं पड़ती है. And this is the frigid zone, North Pole and South Pole, like you know, seen in this thing. It's a very hot there. So you see, so these are the latitudes and longitudes. With the help of this, the pilot is able to fly to any place. Suppose if I say fly to 23 degree north, 24 degree south latitude, he will go to that place. So these imaginary lines, ये lines हवा में बनी हुई हैं. There is no such line, but the people have made this line to identify the place on the map on the computer. Okay, so these are the importance of the longitude and latitude. Okay, now let us see Delhi. So the pilot gets instructions, Delhi, so he will put the coordinates in his autopilot, 28 degree and this is 38 minute north and 77 degree 12 minute. This is 28 degree and this is minute. You see, 28 this is degree and 38 this is minute. So 28 degree and minute means when he punches these numbers in his computer, the autopilot takes over and coolly takes him to Delhi. Similarly, Srinagar. So you see, you can go all through So because of latitude and longitude, the pilot is able to pinpoint the distance on the map. That is the purpose of latitude and longitude. Okay? And then we have the time also set for this. You know, the time has been set. First we take some idle time. So it is known as Greenwich time. दुनिया का सारा time एक जगह Greenwich है लंदन में, इंग्लैंड में, जो कि time वहाँ से time set होता है. Okay? So how will we find? I'll tell you. Now, okay. So the Greenwich time has been standard time for all the world over. यहाँ से सारे time है. Now, if it is 12 o'clock at Greenwich, then Delhi में time क्या होगा? Delhi shall be 5 hours and 8 minutes ahead of Greenwich time because it lies to east of Greenwich. So anything that lies to east of Greenwich, then we have 12 and then 5 hours. It's been 17 बज रहा है. जब यहाँ 12 बज रहा है, then India में 5 घंटे का फर्क है. Okay? So this is the Greenwich time. Now suppose in New York, time is AM and the New York lies to west. तो west में क्या होगा? What will happen in west? Tell me children, it will be what? 4 hours, it is behind that of Greenwich, it will be minus. So it will be 12 minus say 4. So what will it be? What will the time be? It shall be 56 minutes, that is 7:04 होगा time. So अगर यहाँ 12 बज रहा है, then you go backward, then you have what is 7 AM time here. In Delhi and all of us are to the east, so that it gets added to Greenwich time. You read it here, or if you are behind, then it will be subtracted. Now we have got an Indian Standard Time. So in India, you must learn. Please read this IST. Normally, you will देखा होगा IST. This is the Indian Standard Time. That you have to reach at this time. Okay, so Indian Standard Time is 82.5 degrees east. 82.5 degrees east. So this is the Indian Standard Time. So this Indian Standard Time is same all over India. Okay, and this is Standard Time is 18.5 and a 4 minute 3:30 minutes, or 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich time. The watches in India will show 5:30. 5:30 इंडिया शो करेंगे तो वहाँ 5 बज रहेगा. लाइक दुबई नाउ जस्ट ऐड 2.5 minus hours कर दो. लाइक इट इज आई टेल यू, आई विल शो यू. सी न्यू दिल्ली 1:52, Istanbul, Turkey 11:22. See, then Paris 10:22, Sydney 6:22, Auckland 9:22. यानी Auckland in New Zealand. तो अभी हमारा 2 बज रहा है. तो you see here, just see here. See, today plus 7:30, plus 3:30. Bangkok 3:22 आगे है. Hong Kong 4:30 बज रहा है. ढाका 2:22. आधे घंटे फ़र्क है. शंघाई चाइना 4:22, दुबई 12, मक्का 11:22, हमसे 2.5 घंटा सी, 2.5 घंटा पीछे सी. सो यू सी दिस न्यू दिल्ली अगर 1:52 है तो इन शहरों में टाइम अलग अलग है. यू गॉट माई पॉइंट? सी आई विल जस्ट शो यू. सी अगर दिल्ली में टाइम 1:53 है, then Istanbul is what? 11:23. They are behind us, and this is all calculated from the Greenwich time in London, that is in your book. Okay, then Paris, see, Paris 10:23 AM, 4 घंटा सी, 3.5 घंटा पीछे सी. Is it? I'll just show you. See, it is 3.5 hours behind, okay? Then you see Sydney. See, है ना? So this is how the time is calculated. Okay, children? Kindly do the key terms. I have also marked the question answer with a highlighter. And your exercise has been done. Kindly go through it and be ready for exam. Starting from 28th, you shall get 20th October. You will get the date sheet soon. Thank you. Goodbye. Good night.